Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought that I would do this Halloween glam makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and if you want to see how I got this look, then let's just get started. These colors here, one of these, maybe this one right here, because I like that Halloween kind of look and vibe. It has like glitters, green and blue and all that, and I feel like that calls out Halloween. To grab this one and well brush. And I'm gonna grab the lightest brown they have here, which is like this one here. So use that as a transition. So let's use that as a transition. So yeah guys, so yeah, you know, I haven't been really consistent. Well, I still uploaded videos before when I went on vacation. Because my sister's wedding, you know, and all that good stuff. Last week we came back on Monday. I mean, I had a really good time. I had fun spending time with my sisters and my nephews and my nieces. That's like the most important part for me, was spending time with my nieces and my nephews because I love them so much. This dark brown here, guys. Hope you guys can see. And that one is called Solas. Let me see. Yeah, Solas. Solas. So let's get Solas, and we're gonna add it here as well. Blend it in. So yeah, as I could say, so, and let's just blend that in. So went to see them, had a great amazing time, my brother-in-laws and all that good stuff. So yeah, I wish my sisters lived down here, but they don't. But you know, at least I got to see them and spend time with them, and my nieces and my nephew had an amazing time. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna darken this side, the outer corner, with that black that we have here, with that black, and that black is called Shacks. So I'm going to take Shacks and I'm going to apply it in the outer corner of my eye, or maybe like the outer corner, and then bring it into the lid as well. Black is a little bit like, ooh, yeah. I'm going to put it here. I don't know why I like this palette now. When I first tried it, I didn't really like it because I felt like it was just chalky. I don't know. Maybe I wasn't using the right brushes. I'm just bringing it into the outer corner here, and then I'm gonna just grab that same brush and I'm just gonna blend it in. But yeah, like I was saying, it's been hard to kind of get back on the groove of filming and thinking of videos to do and what not to film, what to film for you guys. So I'm so sorry. I apologize, guys, for that. And also, I'm excited because on Monday I start a new job. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so grateful for that and thankful. I mean, I quit my job like 5 months ago, which I could do a separate video on that and tell you why I quit. 8 years, and I love my job. I love to teach, you know, besides makeup and hair and all that stuff. I love to teach, but you know, reasons of why workplace, they try to always treat you like you're nothing and just not appreciate what you do. I was like, okay, you know, let me just get a job while my YouTube grows and I get more subscribers and I get the, you know, and I can actually make this my full-time job. But for now, I really need more extra income, so can't rely on this. So I'm just doing this for fun and having fun with it. And if it grows, glory to God. And if it doesn't, then I'll just continue doing it for fun. You know, there's a lot of work that you put into filming when it comes to filming and editing and all that. And you know, it sucks when you wanna, you know, get, like me, I don't have PR, I don't get free makeup, so like I don't have money to go every 5 seconds to the store to buy the newest palette that came out or the newest primer, the newest lipstick. And I wish I did. I wish I could, you know, a company would send me free makeup so I can share with you guys and, you know, give you guys my honest on how I feel about them, if they work or they don't work. So which I don't. So hopefully, you know, one day a brand will reach out to me and send me some PR, put me in their PR list. I'll be so grateful for that. Hopefully my YouTube grows. I'm not gonna give up, you know, even though sometimes I feel like giving up, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm just gonna keep going because I am not someone who gives up easily. I want to keep trying and keep trying and keep trying, doing something that I love to do. And that's the key. When you love something, you want to conquer it. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of what people are going to think about you, what people are going to say. I mean, people can be really mean sometimes, but want to do your thing. Never give up your dream just because of others. I've learned that throughout the years because I was always afraid. I've had my YouTube for years, but I was always afraid to do a video because I was like, ew, people are going to be looking at me and judging me. And me, I really don't care. I have a lot of things that are my flaws that I don't like about myself. I fear that people, you know, are going to judge me for it, but at the end of the day, I don't care. This is how God made me. This is how I am. This is who I am. I mean, either you love me or you don't. You love me for who I am inside, and wonderful person that I can be, not for my exterior, not for what I look out in the outside, but what's in my heart. And that's how you should go through life, you know, never judge somebody because of the way they look. Like, we all are different. God made us all in our different image, and we all look different for a reason. You know, if we all looked alike, it would be a boring life. It would be a boring world. So yeah, be grateful for who you are. Be grateful for what you have and you don't have. Just be grateful. If you want to see the video, if you want me to do a video on why I quit my job 5 months ago, what was the reason behind it, because I really didn't. But it's just sometimes in a workplace, people can treat you very they can belittle you to a certain amount, and then after that you have to stand up for yourself and you have to walk away, whether it hurts you or not. You have to walk away because no one belittling you, especially when you're a hardworking person and you dedicate yourself and you give your 101% or more, and it just shouldn't be like that, you know. And if I personally had a business, I would treat my employees with respect, with love and dedication, because they're bringing joy into my business, and they're bringing, especially when you're working with children. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a different brush. Okay, so I'm gonna get this little small flat brush right here, and we're gonna add, it's this one right here, and it's like really pretty. I like it because it has like, see, like it has the glitters like purple and green. It kind of, I don't know, if it calls for Halloween. Ooh. See that? No, that's actually perfect. You see how all the colors are coming out the green? Oh yes. Oh my god, guys, it's so pretty. See that? I love all those colors. Like, I love it. All those shades of blue, and I'm so happy I didn't do my foundation, because if not, black. And I'm just going to add it right here in the corner because I want it to be smoked out. See? And we're gonna blend this in. Okay, for now we're gonna leave this eye alone. I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna do the other one off camera really quickly, and then we'll move on to the face. So I'm back. This eye's finished, lashes are on. Now we're gonna go move to the face. So I am going to use my Clinique foundation, which I've been, guys know I've been loving this foundation. It's the bomb, the bomb. Like, I have this little thing here that I just put foundation on here. Just that much. And I am going to use my sponge. I usually put concealer, but I don't feel like doing that today. Sometimes it's fun to do it different. Yeah, do your makeup differently. Like, guys, I love this foundation. It's so easy to blend, like to blend out it. And then when it's like done drying, your skin looks so flawless. Yeah, it gives me like a light wash of color. It's pretty, it looks nice. It's not like so dramatic. I love this foundation. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna use the Super Stay Better Skin Concealer and Corrector. I love these. I have it in the color light, medium, and ivory. So I'm gonna go with the light medium first. Light medium first. You know, because like kind of matches my skin a little bit better. Then I'm gonna grab this side and we're gonna blend it in. And also this concealer, oh my god, is so amazing as well because it blends so nicely into the skin. It's not over dry. Like, look at how effortless I just like blended it into my skin. I'm gonna go set that concealer, and I'm gonna use my Airspun Loose Face Powder. You guys know this one, and the new NYC Skin Smooth Face one is one of my, these two are the ones that I love to use. This one because it smells good. Like, I like that smell. It smells so good. And this, like, it helps your skin, like your makeup, especially your concealer, stay intact, just like the other one. The NYC Smooth Face Loose Powder, I love that one as well, and translucent, because that one, like any like lines you have underneath your eyes, it smooths it all out, like your face will be looking so like porcelain. I love that one. Which I ran out, which I gotta buy some. Then I'm going with the Maybelline Dream Wonder powder, face foundation powder. Like this powder foundation really helps bring out more color into my skin, which I really love a lot. And when I do this, my makeup stays on all day intact. It does not move. I could be sweating. I love it. It's phenomenal. But so you guys know my Holy Grail bronzer is the Take Home the Bronze in Oliver, which I love the Thomas one too, which I ran out, which I have to pick that one up. This is more like a light one, light wash of colors. Not gonna give you like so much color. The other, like the Thomas one, that one is like bomb too. But I just want a little wash of color. I don't want. You see how it kind of brings the look together, but it's not like I have a big orange thing right on my face. It's just really nicely put together. Use for blush this City Color HD blush, which is in warm lavender. And I like this one because it's like a mauve kind of blush. It looks almost like pink but kind of purple, and I think it would look nice with this like glam Halloween look. I think it will look pretty, and I don't want to put like a pink or too peach. Like, I don't want that. So then I'm going to use for highlight this IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter in 24 Karat Magic. Looks like that. It's pretty. I think it's pretty. And let's do this. I'm just going to get this Motor Pro BMX 265 glowing brush. Take some more of my airspun powder, and I'm just going to, since this is a glam look, guys, don't be afraid. To ruin your makeup. So now let's go to the lower lashes, and we're gonna do the same process that we did on the eyes on the lower lashes. So let's go. With that, the black a little bit only, and we're gonna go real close to the lash line and just bring it halfway. We're not gonna bring it all the way to the, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. It's so pretty. In the inner corner, we're going to do electric, this color right here, green. Remember, it's a dramatic. Smashbox Always On gel liner. Do mascara just to blend those lashes together with my falsie, my real lashes. It's so hard, guys, to do these glam looks with contacts on. Like, I wear contacts because if I don't, I am blind. I can't see anything, guys. Like, I literally can't see nothing. And I'm gonna add this little Larceny Cosmetics in Tidal. Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Okay, guys, so here's the finished look. I hope that you really enjoyed this Halloween smoky eye glitter glam. Wing, just a tiny one, a little thin one, because I didn't want it to take away from the look. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this look. I really loved it, the way it came out really nice. So yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. It helps my channel. Thank you for those subscribers that are new, that I keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys, enjoy the rest of your Tuesday, and may you have a blessed day.